Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to make 8-bit music in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page where you can find all the instruments you can play. You have your audio recorder right here and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started making 8-bit music. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the audio recorder option right here. This is what we want to do to get started recording. After doing this, this is going to open up this recording menu where at the top of the screen you have this big red circle that's going to enable you to start recording. And what we want to do is go right here into the upper left corner and click on this button in the middle. This is going to open up this edit mode where we will be able to see this mastering mixing mode where we can find all the tracks we have, such as our drums, keyboard, and so on. So guys, to be able to get started with making 8-bit music, this is what we can do. Exit out of here, go back to the main page and click on live loops in the upper left section. After clicking live loops, you want to open up the sound library that's going to appear right here. And in this sound library, we can now go ahead and find all the content packs we can use. And as you can see guys, here is a content pack. That is the first one right here that says 8-bit legends. The 8-bit legends content pack is going to give us all the tunes that we need to get started making 8-bit music. This is what you'll be able to use to get started getting your 8-bit effects. So you add this pack to your collection and get started using it in the audio recorder I have just showed you, making your instruments and your songs and getting your desired sound. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.